Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the watch visible and the phone ready. This is critical because the only way uses the phone to mirror or access the watch screen. First, charge and unlock the watch, then open the paired phone's companion app. Once done, enable notifications, screen sharing, or the device view feature in the companion app. This lets you navigate the watch UI from the phone. Make sure Bluetooth is active and connection permissions are accepted, so the next steps work without interruption. You now use the mirrored view to navigate precisely, because the small watch screen can hide options. This is why mirroring matters. On the watch, open Settings, then Connections or Device, and look for Pair New Device, Wi-Fi Setup or similar that shows a QR. As you tap, watch the phone's companion app to follow menus in real time. If the QR is part of an app, open that app on the watch while watching the mirrored screen so you can reveal the QR code image. You finish by capturing or scanning the visible QR code. This completes the only reliable path. With the QR on the mirrored phone screen, open your phone camera or a QR scanner app and scan directly, or take a screenshot and crop the code for later scanning. If the QR never appears, restart the watch app, toggle Bluetooth, and repeat. Many QR dialogues fail until permissions refresh. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing shows, force close the companion app. Reconnect, then reattempt the menu steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.